Hi, my name is Cody Hosterman, and I'm the product manager here at Pure Storage for our VMware and cloud solutions. So, a topic I want to discuss today is, well, what you see on the screen here. Containers and virtual machines. Are they friends? Are they enemies? Can they live together in peace? And of course, the answer is yes. And this is something at Pure that we've been working to help our customers with. One of the things when it comes to managing really any infrastructure is consistency is an important part. It makes things easier to manage. And when we talk about containers and virtual machines, can these run in the same place? Of course, the answer is yes. And this is a big part of our partnership with VMware around Tanzu and, of course, vSphere. Now, Tanzu is their distribution around Kubernetes that's integrated into the vSphere layer, which, of course, is the hypervisor that runs virtual machines. And within those virtual machines, Tanzu manages those VMs that, of course, manage the workloads that is Kubernetes, that are the containers running inside of that platform. And from a Pure perspective, what do we care about? Well, we care about your data. We care about you managing your data. And we care about consistency around doing that. And of course, our offering is based around two different things. How does Tanzu consume storage? How does vSphere consume storage? Well, luckily, they consume it in the same way. So within the Tanzu infrastructure, there's an offering called CNS, Cloud Native Storage. Cloud Native Storage is the provisioning tool that VMware offers for storage into Kubernetes, into the Kubernetes environment running on top of it, provide that persistence to the containers. And what does CNS consume when it's provisioning from storage? Storage policy-based management. It provisions from policies. These policies are a collection of features, can be QoS, snapshots, and consistency or intervals or whatever the case may be. It can be even metadata like tags. Whatever you want. There's a lot of options around how you can control your storage policy-based management. And from a Pure perspective, what are you provisioning when you're provisioning from storage policy-based management? My favorite, vVols. Virtual volumes are that granularity of a single volume to a single virtual disk. So your containers that need storage can provision that volume with the features assigned by storage policy-based management and provision it up to the application that needs that feature set or those requirements. So from the flash array up, we are integrating with Tanzu, with cloud native storage, with storage policy-based management through the best way to provision your storage in vSphere, virtual volumes. But we didn't stop there. Last year, 2020, Portworx joined the Pure Storage family as a product offering, the SDS and storage management layer that runs inside of any Kubernetes distribution. And so this means two things. One is Portworx can easily move your workloads from any Kubernetes offering and consolidate it into Tanzu. So you can use the same control plane, which is vSphere, to manage your infrastructure. And Portworx also integrates with cloud native storage. When Portworx needs storage, when your container needs a persistent volume, Portworx can communicate directly with cloud native storage that can then provision from the underlying storage policy-based management. Pure is working from either end of CNS with VMware to make sure that we're better together with Kubernetes and we're better together with vSphere as well. And this is all centered around storage policy-based management and made better by virtual volumes. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.